Yo, what's up guys? Welcome to another POV test drive. Today I will be giving you a raw test drive feel of the Ford Ranger Stormtrak, the 2022 version. A new Ranger is coming and I just wanted us to know where we come from before we go to the new model. Please do not forget to like, subscribe and even hit that bell icon. Even if you do not like, please subscribe. Let's build us a channel. Enjoy the review. Here we go.
Switch it off.
Yeah, switch it off always. If you don't, you end up with that whole copyright stuff, then you can't do nothing.
Shit.
Yeah. Okay, cool. Off we go.
Yeah, so it only illuminates at the bottom of the front there for you which gear you're in.
Oh, okay.
And you've got the various. You've got drive and you've got sport mode as standard for this one.
Oh, nice. Oh, so you can just flick it in like that.
Yeah, between DNAs.
Oh, nice. Okay.
Proper.
Ready for action, this one, huh?
Yeah.
Okay, cool. We're going that side, right?
Yeah.
Alright. So you've got this camera as well, I can see.
Yeah, full HD reverse with front and rear PDC.
Oh, okay. So you have the beeping as well.
Yeah. It works from 1.8 meters behind the car.
Oh, okay. See, with cars like this, you don't have to worry. Just keep going.
Yeah.
Until you hear go.
I never, even when you close, it'll shout at you like.
Make all the noises necessary. Can we have the AC on a bit if you don't mind?
Cool. So we've got auto feature here, so it can cool it down for us by itself.
Okay.
So it's going to now take it down to the lowest temperature possible.
Oh, alright. That's cool. Yo, what's up guys? Welcome to Mzansi Popular Rides. So today I'm here with JP. We are reviewing the Ford Ranger and we're going to take it for a quick test drive. He's going to walk us through the most important features. So take 5 and enjoy. Alright. Feels nice and big.
Proper.
Sure. And how's the turning circle?
It's about, I think it's 11
Oh, okay.
for this one. So it is a little bit big.
Oh, yeah.
But it is decent. Yeah, I think we're third in terms of LCVs with the turning circle.
Oh, okay. And if I get it right, this is a full spec off-road vehicle as well, if you want to use it for off-road driving, right?
Yeah.
Although nobody really uses it for that these days.
It's a highway warrior.
Yeah.
So this is the 4x2. Here will be the dial for the 4x4.
Oh, this is just the 4x2. Oh,
but you can do most of your off-roading with this model.
Yeah, I mean, all you need is just simply to be able to have the ground clearance.
That's it.
At the end of the day, yeah. Here we go. I put it straight into sport. I like my car in sport mode.
Get the full response from the motor.
Exactly.
But what the drive actually just does is it gives you that most fuel economic drive.
Yes. And that's exactly what you need in this day and time. And fuel economy? Average?
So it's listed at 7.6 per 100 kilometers.
Which is not bad, huh?
No. But realistically getting about just under 10.
Okay. Not bad. Not bad at all. So your lane keeping assist and stuff, how does that work? Do you have that here in this particular one?
Yeah, so on the side of the indicator stalk there's a little button that you just press, then you'll see on the car on the right screen there.
Okay. Just want to cross the road first and we can talk nicely about everything else that matters.
You know your product, so what's nice about it is we can do a nice back and forth.
Oh, okay.
If it's got it, if it doesn't, you know.
Oh, alright. So you're able to put in certain features that are not here and so on.
No, so this vehicle, it comes factory fitted as is. There's no additional on tops.
Oh,
like
okay.
the Ford Pass, it's only with the latest models that you get that feature. From I think it's 2020 June.
Okay.
That's when they implemented the Ford Pass, and then so the latest version of this vehicle does have the modem in it. If it doesn't have it, then you've got a lesser.
Oh, okay. Pulls quite nice as well, I must say.
It's proper.
Yeah, it is proper. You get the feel that you're in a nice big truck.
It's a 10-speed auto. This.
Oh, alright. Changes quite smooth as well.
Yeah. So on sport, you'll feel more of a jerk with the gear down. That's more of the performance aspect. So you get that. It uses like the motor to actually bring the car to a standstill. Where if it's on normal drive, you'll feel it's super plush, and you can
let's
just
try put it
push
there.
forward.
There we go.
Yeah.
So now we're in normal drive. Okay, I could feel the. Yeah, but that feels nicer. Yeah, it's more relaxed now.
Spongy on the throttle. It's not as.
Also on sport mode, it wants to go.
Yeah, just drop it and it flies.
Nice, nice, nice. Also, you say if I want to turn on the lane keeping assist, I just press this button here.
Yeah, so there it's now active. It'll go green as if you go over 65 kilometers per hour. And it's a very nice feature. It's got aid and alert, and also aid and alert, so it can do both at the same time. So
okay. So can it also steer for you if, like for example, in this?
Yep. Pull a little bit right to like that one there.
Okay, like here, right?
Yeah, and you'll feel the steering starts to vibrate.
Not yet. I don't think you're ready yet. Okay, we'll just have a look quickly. To the right, as in like to that line there, right?
Yeah. If you veer towards that line without putting the indicator on, feel the little vibration there on the steering.
Yeah. Also, I feel it now. So, this one gives you the vibration.
Yeah, and then it does a slight correction for you. It's not the latest one. They say it's going to have lane centering aid.
Also, that the new one will be able to just help you out as well.
Yeah.
So this one just gives you a vibration. Hey, watch out! You're going out of the way. Oh, all right.
And a slight correction, but
slight
it's not
correction.
massive.
Oh, okay. I still prefer the slight correction because those ones are aggressive sometimes. Yeah, I feel it now. Yeah, I think it also depends on how solid the line is as well.
Yeah, so even if it's only got one line on the road, the car will still pick it up, and you'll see only one line go green. And if it picks up any sway, it'll start to vibrate for you.
All right.
If it continues picking up, then the fatigue warning light will come on with a little coffee cup to tell you to just chill.
Oh, so you've got the coffee cup here as well.
Yeah, just take a break, but it doesn't switch the car off and be like, you can't drive. You can still drive and still enjoy it to the fullest.
Nice, I like it.
So also full electrochromatic rearview mirror on this one.
Okay.
So it dims by itself.
This one right here.
Yeah.
Okay, cool.
So you can simply, like the traditional one, you have to flick the switch to like, if somebody's brightening you from the back. This does it all for you by itself.
So it's all automatic.
Yeah.
A nice one.
Also the lights with this car is very nice because it's called the LED low beam projector headlamp. And with Wildtrak and Stormtrak, you've got an additional feature where it's called auto high beam control. So the brights will come on and off if it senses there's no traffic in front of you.
All by itself.
Yeah, and if there's oncoming, it dips.
Okay, that's nice.
Brilliant.
So you don't have to do anything. Literally, you just take the car for a drive and then that's it.
It does its own for you.
That's relaxing.
Yeah. Full Apple CarPlay and Android Auto as well.
Oh, nice.
Standard, which is the best thing that I think they could have brought out. Yeah, you can turn or we can go straight.
Should have just rinsed it. Alright, cool. So good, yeah?
Yeah, you've got 7 airbags as standard with this model as well.
I've counted 6. Where's the other one?
Driver knee.
Okay, cool. I've already been on it. Maybe I can do a U-turn. We can just go that side.
Cool. Yeah.
Yeah. This is the time to test the turning circle. He made it. There we go.
Yeah.
I like it. No wonder why people like this car, eh?
It's very nice. And with these models, you've got the feature where if you want to have a little bit of fun on a dirt road, you can actually switch off the traction control.
Oh, okay.
And then you'll get that overdrive
and enjoy the car
and drift it like a beast.
I'm sure that comes in the Raptor as well. I'm sure, 100%.
Yeah, it sits right here. So it's on all the time with the electronic stability control package, which monitors if the vehicle has got any like sway, or if it slips on the road, it'll cut engine power immediately.
Okay.
It'll break the wheels individually for you to bring the car under control again.
That's why this car is actually considered safe.
It's got rollover mitigation.
Okay.
So what that means is it monitors the roll of the car. As soon as it picks up an over rotation, it'll also cut the engine power and break the wheels individually.
Again, trying to assist you a bit
to get the car down for you. Yeah.
Oh, okay, that's nice. Yeah, I think depending on where you are, like now, I can feel it actually trying to assist me with this lane keeping assist. You can actually feel the corrections, but they're not aggressive, which is actually quite good. Because I remember once I was driving another car and I had it on, and there I didn't indicate. I wanted to change the lane, and then the next thing, it was so aggressive. I used force as well. It was hectic, huh?
Yeah.
It was really hectic. So you wanna, I think you need a car like this that does it, but not
Yes,
aggressive.
in control.
Yeah, because if it catches you off guard, I mean, you're gonna have a problem, eh?
You're like, what's this, man? Fighting with
The car is
yeah.
fighting with me. Yeah, so still safe.
Yeah, all the way. This is going to take us straight back to the dealer. We're going to go over past megawatt and then we'll turn right.
Oh, nice. Okay, cool.
So this has also got the pre-collision assist feature,
yeah,
which saves your life in that split second that a car braked in front of you and you just quickly looked at the young one at the back.
Oh, yes, yes.
There's an amber flashing light that goes off on the right screen there that just goes impact alert, impact alert.
Okay, and then that, why did it go beeping now?
So that's the front PDC. If it senses something in the front of the car,
it will go on.
The alarm will sound.
Oh, okay,
but
cool.
We have found, like with motorcycles or exhaust fumes, anything like that, it's hypersensitive.
Oh, it can sense the slightest of things as well. Oh, okay, that's cool. That's cool.
You can also switch it off when you go into the bush. Just press this one here, then it deactivates.
So you don't keep on having all the beep beep beep.
Yeah.
Nice. Also with the safety systems, if it can stop for you to just try and save you in the instance where you were not alert of a vehicle in front, as you said.
So with the adaptive cruise control, it brakes by itself.
Okay.
But with the pre-collision, what it does is, for example, once that flashing light goes off to indicate that there's an impending impact about to happen,
yeah,
it pre-charges the brake booster on this car.
Okay.
So as soon as you take your foot off the throttle and you plant it on the brake,
yeah,
it sends 100%.
Oh, 100% braking force. Oh, okay, that's cool. That's cool.
They think about everything with this car.
Yeah, eh? That's 100% cool, because I did notice that as you're driving, sometimes you step on the brakes, but you're not 100%, you don't get 100% braking force immediately. It takes time to actually get to that point.
Yes.
Yeah.
And also what it monitors is your response to take your foot off the throttle. That is one of the key identifiers for this car, to actually notice that you're going to slam the brakes quick now.
Amazing. Yeah, I think with safety, these cars are just on another level these days, huh?
Yeah. Yeah,
you don't get your traditional bike years before. I mean, I've just been driving it now, and I must tell you, it feels like a sedan. No, even better actually, because you get more space at the same time. So, yeah.
Yeah, that's what they did with the previous 2016 to this 2019 model, is they refined the ride to have more of a plusher ride like an SUV. And the way that they actually achieved this was moving the displacement of the torsion bar in front.
Oh, okay.
So the overall bounce is a lot softer.
Yeah.
With the previous one, you feel it's like a rugged bucky feel.
It's a rugged bucky. And now with this is more comfortable, much nicer. I mean, I think they read the market and noticed, okay, fine, people don't really use buckies like they used to in the past, and then they made things like this. I mean, yeah.
Yeah, I call this not a bucky, a luxury off-road.
A luxury off-road cruiser. That's what it is. Yeah, proper, a good-looking one at that fact. Eh?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Make a statement when you arrive with this.
Proper. It's a nice car, and you can do a lot of things with this. That's what I like about it. You can sport it up if you want. I wanted to quickly just show the people how it accelerates. Sure. So I'll step on it a bit.
Cool.
There we go. Now we're going back to the dealership, and we're still safe there. Yeah. All right, then that's just our review for today. We're going now to park the car, so you'll just experience the last bit of it. Thanks a lot, JP, for allowing us and giving us this opportunity. Maybe we'll do more reviews of Ford vehicles as they come, and I'm hoping that he's gonna make sure that I'm there when they launch the Ford Ranger, the new one.
I promise.
Yeah, so the viewers can get the first view of it, huh?
Yeah.
Yeah, it's a nice car, man. I like this car.
So with the new ones, we're actually going to put them into demo.
Oh,
so
okay.
We're going to put one of each into demo, so they'll be at the dealership for everybody to experience.
Oh, all right. That's cool.
Yeah.
That's cool. So people can come over and just test drive and see what's new.
Yeah, just ask for JP.
Yeah, ask for JP, and JP will make sure you get what you want, huh?
Make the dreams come true.
Exactly. But then I'm just wondering, so it's going to share the same platform as the Amarok, right?
Correct, yeah, they're being built on the same production line, the Ford Ranger.
Okay.
But the Raptor that's coming, there's nothing that compares to that thing that's on the market today.
All right.
It's going to be in a league of its own again.
Will it be using its own different engine or similar stuff?
Yeah, so Raptor is going to feature a 3-liter V6 petrol.
Okay.
With a twin turbo EcoBoost system. Where the Ranger is coming in a 3-liter V6 diesel.
Oh, okay.
Key feature there is you're going to get more power out of that petrol motor, but low end torque, people will then opt for the diesel on the normal Ranger, which is going to be a 4-wheel drive system as well, opposed to a partial 4x4.
Nice.
Which is currently being offered.
And then perhaps the last question I want to ask, 4x2, right? In here.
Yeah.
Which one? Where's the pulling power? At the back or the front?
It's always going to the back.
Always going to the back.
With
nice.
with our Rangers. Yeah.
Oh, cool. Nice. And then this? What is this for?
So that's your electronic diff lock feature.
Oh, so you've got one here.
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
So the vehicle has to be stationary for you to
activate it.
Yeah. So
okay.
What that'll do is it'll lock both rear wheels for you and let them turn at the same revolution. That's for when you're stuck.
When you're stuck. So it's got a bit of the 4x4 capabilities, but just minimal.
Yeah.
If we can put it like that.
So even if you don't use the diff lock, the car's got a feature with the ABS module.
Oh, okay.
So as soon as it picks up any wheel slippage, because what a diff does, it sends power to the least resisted
tire.
Yeah. So as soon as it picks up that one wheel's got grip, this one's in the air spinning and it'll start to pinch and pulse.
Oh, okay. So you can start getting a bit of grip, sending it to the other side.
Yeah. And then boom, you're out of the hole.
Nice. There you have it, folks. That's the review of the Ford Ranger. Thanks a lot. Thanks, man.
Only a pleasure, my friend.
Damn.